guys, we're back out here in the shop working on the 66 Impala today. We're going to try and attempt to fix the crack in the radiator. Whose ranch is this?
I don't know. Nobody's?
It's in a dumb spot. We're going to attempt to fix the crack in the radiator tank up at the top here. You can see it's got this nice little crack starting there, so we're going to attempt to fix that with a little bit of solder and flux. We'll see how it goes. Start with trying to clean this thing up the best we can. A wire brush here, a couple of them. And clean off all that, as much of that paint, all that crap as we can. Hopefully this doesn't go too terribly far. Looks like it might end right about there. Where does it start? Looks like it might start right about there, so doesn't look too bad. So there's our crack. It's all cleaned up here. Doesn't go too terribly far, which is good. Let's see if we can seal that up with some solder. No, Duplicolor is not a paid sponsor. Unless they want to give me money. Or paint jobs. I'm open to that. Spread our flux on there. Now, again, I've never done this before. So if I'm doing it wrong, tell me, because I'm kind of an idiot. That's the fun part, right? Just learning and messing it up, and then doing it again, right? Yeah, it's fun stuff. Some more flux on there. Better. Well, it looks ugly. But does it work? Maybe, I don't fucking know. So let's start the car and find out. So here's our finished product. It's not pretty, but I think it's gonna seal. We're gonna test it out here and see what happens. Fire the car up and let it get kind of warm here. it looks like our crack repair is a success. I don't see anything leaking in here. We got it up to temp. Check timing, tune the carb a little bit, romped on it a little bit in park. Got up to 190 degrees, and it's definitely pressurized. Don't have any leaks on the tank anymore. So great success. Calling that. Oh man.